Hello children, today I've come up with this video about the formats of the notice writing. So here is the printout of the ICSE English language paper from 2019 onwards. Specimen for email and notice writing. Specimens for email and notice writing are given in format 1 and format 2. Any one format may be followed, both are acceptable. So the board has uploaded two formats for both email and notice, and this is the first format. For example, the question is, your school is hosting an inter-school debate competition. Write a notice for your school informing them of the event. This is the question. Now, according to the first format, you will write down first of all the creative title. Here they have written the creative title War of Words in the center of the page, and it carries 1 mark. Under this creative title, you will leave a line and then you will write down the name of the competition, inter-school debate competition. This also carries 1 mark. Again you leave a line and then in the center of the page itself, without writing DATE, you simply write down on 8th December 2017. Then again you leave a line after that. Now this date carries half a mark. After the date again you leave a line. Then you will write down the timing without writing the word time. You write down from 9 am to 12 noon. Now remember, in this the A has to be small followed by a dot, then small m dot 12. With 12 you will always write down noon. So this timing carries half a mark. Again, after the time you have to leave a line and then write down the venue. Now in this, two venues are to be given. The smaller venue is to be written first. Here it is at Centenary Hall, St. Hilda School. So at Centenary Hall is the smaller venue, comma, the name of the school, the bigger venue. So this carries half plus half. Now in this format, you do not write the words DATE, TIME and VENUE. Directly you write it down with on, from and at. After this you will leave a line and then you will go to the margin of the page and begin with the content that has to be written. All pupils of classes 9th and 10th who wish to participate are to give their names to Mrs. Baker on or before 1st December 2017. Now this carries 1 mark. In this these three things are important: the target audience, that is who are supposed to take part, then to whom they have to give the names, and the cutoff date. Now the date which is written over here in the the date of the competition will always be written 15 days into future. If you are writing it today, putting up the notice today, then the date of the competition will be after 15 days. And then for the cutoff date to submit the names, you can give about a week's time before the competition when they have to submit the names. So this is the first format of writing the notice. Now this is the second format of writing the notice. Your school is conducting an inter-class talent search. Write out a notice to be put up in your school informing students about the event and inviting them to participate. Now this is the specimen answer. Now in this format, the thing is that everything is given with the margin: the creative title, the name of the competition, date, time, venue, and the content of the notice. So here they have written the creative title, Everybody's Got Talent, in capital letters. You leave a line, then write down the name of the competition, inter-class talent search. Leave a line and then with the margin write down DATE. Then you can write down the name of the day, Tuesday, 24th July, 2018. Then again you will leave a line and then you will write down the time, 9 am to 4 pm. In this case also, A, M and P have to be small letters followed by a dot. Now in this format, you write down DATE colon, TIME colon. Next, after leaving a line, write down the venue, the auditorium of St. Agnes School. The first venue is small, the auditorium. Then St. Agnes School is the second venue, which is the bigger venue. So half plus half. Then you leave a line, then write down the content of the notice, which also begins from the margin. Interested students of first the target audience 8th, 9th and 10th may register with the vice principal on or before 14th July. So this again, it has three things: the target audience, to whom the names have to be given, and third, the cutoff date. So remember children, you have to remember that there are two formats given by the board. You can follow either of the two, but you will lose marks if you mix up both the formats. See that you follow one strictly. Thank you.